Hello and welcome. Today I'll be recording a pure math video on higher derivatives. This will be for CAPE and let's get started. So let's say that we have a function and we'll say it's called y. If we were to find the derivative of y, this could be denoted as y prime or just y by a dash, right? And if we want to find the second derivative, what we'll be doing is taking the derivative of the first derivative, and it's denoted by y dash dash. This is also denoted by f dash dash x or d squared y by dx squared, right? Can also be denoted by f2 of x. So now you know how it's actually denoted, let's try to actually get what we're saying. So let's say we have a function and it says it's y is equal to 4x squared plus 7x minus 6. And we want to find the second derivative. So the question asks you to find this, right? Asks you to find the second derivative of y. So first we have to, of course, find the first derivative of y, and we'll just do that. So say y is equal dy by dx is equal to the derivative of 4x squared is equal to 8x. The derivative of 7x is equal to 7, and the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. So great. Also, if you're not understanding what's going on here, be sure to check my last video. Well, yeah, on on product rule, I posted videos on just kind of the foundation for differentiation. So if you're not understanding, you should check that out. So continuing. So we found the first derivative. Now let's find the second. So we'll say that d squared y by dx squared is going to be equal to, so we'll just find the derivative of the first derivative, right? Sounds pretty simple. So now this will just be equal to 8 because the derivative of 8x is 8 and the derivative of a constant is 0, which is 7. So it's 8 plus 0, but we'll just leave it as 8 because that's inconsequential. So great. That's just the borderline concept. Higher derivatives is very easy. I'll give one more example and I think that should be all for this video because this video is just on higher derivatives. It shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so let's see we have y. I'll write it in another color. I'll say y is equal to x squared cos x. And they want you to find the second derivative. So find uh, d squared y by dx squared. So how would you do this now? So first we need to find the first derivative, right? So using this now, in my last videos, this is dealing with product rule, chain rule. This question alone deals with product rule, chain rule, and differentiating trigonometric functions, right? So yeah, let's go. So to find the derivative of this, we'll say is equal to, since they're being multiplied, we'll use the product rule, d by dx of x squared times cos x plus d by dx of cos x times x squared is equal to the differential of 2x is equal x squared is equal to 2x times cos x plus the differential of cos x. So remember the differential of wait, sorry, I got myself mixed up. The differential of cos x is equal to minus sine x times x squared. So we'll just make this a little bit more neat, and so we'll say it's equal to 2x cos x minus x squared sine x, right? So this is the first derivative, and so to get the second derivative, we just have to find the derivative of this, right? And so this shouldn't actually be a problem. I'll give you a second, take a screenshot or something, and try to work it out yourself, or probably even just pause the video. Anything works. And yeah, we can do that now. So let's go. So now we'll find the derivative of we'll do it in parts. We'll do this section over here, and then we'll do this section, okay? Just to make it a little bit more simple. So that's going to be equal to d by dx of 2x times cos x plus d by dx of cos x times 2x. And this is going to be equal to the derivative of 2x is 2 times cos x plus the derivative of cos x is minus sine x times 2x, because this is equal to 2 cos x minus 2x sine x. And this is just one part, and it should be subtracted by this over here. So we'll do this side now. So the differential of x squared sine x, we'll work that out as, I'm trying to find which color to use. I guess I'll use red. No, I'll use green. So this will be worked out by minus d by dx of x squared times sine x plus d by dx of sine x times x squared, which is then minus this would be 2x sine x plus the derivative of sine x is cos x plus cos x times x squared. So we'll just write everything back now. So we'll have 2 cos x minus 2x sine x. So this is going to be equal to, I'll bring it up here so we can kind of follow it a bit easier. So 2 cos x minus 2x sine x. I'll just bring this up there as well, just so that we keep on the same page. Okay, so now let's just make this a little bit more neat. So it's going to be equal to, final answer will be in red, to equal to. So minus 2x sine x and minus 2x sine x, we can add those together, will give us minus 4 sine x, these right here, and 2 cos x plus, nah, that doesn't work, so yeah. I made a mistake, guys. I'm looking at it. I think I made a mistake here. Yes, yes, I did. I only made one side negative. This side should be negative as well. Please forgive me. That was a innocent mistake. It can happen, especially when I actually spoke about this in one of my videos recently. Please don't forget to distribute that minus sign. It's really bad because it really messes up the answer, and the answer is just wrong, right? So I'll just fix that. Okay, good. So now we can find the answer. So it's going to be equal to, we'll say it's equal to minus 4x sine x plus 2 cos x minus x squared cos x. And that is just the answer. So this video is very short, but I hope you learned something from it. It's just, you just take the derivative of the first derivative. It's not that hard. So I hope you're able to understand that. And yeah, if you're able to understand and this video is helpful, then you can check out the other videos. They're all meant to help you in your math endeavors. Well, thank you for watching and goodbye.